Describe an interesting activity that you remember enjoying most in your primary school.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
What activities do children often do in your country?
In my country, children often engage in a variety of activities such as playing outdoor games like soccer or tag, participating in school clubs or sports teams, enjoying hobbies like painting or playing musical instruments, and spending time with friends and family at parks or playgrounds. Additionally, many children are involved in extracurricular activities such as dance classes, martial arts, or scouting.
At what time do children often have activities?
Children often have activities after school, typically in the late afternoon or early evening. These activities can include sports practices, music lessons, tutoring sessions, or other extracurricular programs. On weekends, activities might be scheduled throughout the day, depending on the child's interests and commitments.
What are the differences between activities at home and at school?
Activities at home are typically more informal and flexible, often centered around personal interests and relaxation, whereas activities at school are more structured and focused on academic learning, social interaction, and following a schedule.
Why do some people like to participate in activities?
People participate in activities for various reasons, including enjoyment, social interaction, personal fulfillment, skill development, relaxation, stress relief, and physical fitness. Each individual may have their own unique motivations for engaging in different activities based on their interests, preferences, and goals.
What activities do people do in their free time?
People engage in various activities during their free time, such as reading, watching movies or TV shows, exercising, socializing with friends and family, playing sports, pursuing hobbies like painting or gardening, gaming, cooking, traveling, and exploring nature.
Does technology affect children's activities? If so, how?
Yes, technology does affect children's activities in several ways. It can influence how they play, learn, and interact with others. For example, increased screen time may reduce physical activity and social interaction, while educational apps can enhance learning opportunities. However, excessive technology use can also lead to issues like decreased attention spans and potential impacts on mental health.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.